So I live in LA and it's really expensive here. The average rent in Los Angeles is $2,556 for 791 square feet. So already way higher rent than most of the country, but I keep hearing that San Francisco actually has the most insane rent of anywhere these days. The average rent in San Francisco is a whopping $3,703 for 747 square feet. So over $1,000 more for basically the same amount of space. Even though it's only a 5-hour drive or 6 in an electric car, this city is totally different than LA. It's a lot more compact and feels like a real downtown city. And today we're gonna take a look in some real apartments that people are living in and see what you actually get in San Francisco versus Los Angeles. So first we're gonna take a look in this really cool Victorian house in Nob Hill.
Welcome to my apartment in San Francisco.
So this is actually another YouTuber's apartment. If you guys know Kath Rout, she does a lot of videos about San Francisco. So if you wanna learn more about what it's like to live in the city, I'll link them below. So the apartment she ended up living in is 2 bedrooms with a living room converted into another bedroom, and they each pay $1,415 in rent. So the total is about $4,200, but when we're looking at technically a 3-bedroom apartment, that's actually a really good price for San Francisco or LA.
Let's start with the living room, I guess. So this is our living room. We're on the bottom floor of our apartment, so it gets kind of like a modest amount of light, but we have this wonderful sectional, beautiful carpet, and my favorite roommate, little Ruby. She's our long-haired dachshund. Big selling point of the apartment for me.
I learned that to make housing more affordable, the living room is often converted into another bedroom. So it's actually kind of rare for them to have a living room because it's usually just a bedroom.
And then here, this is my roommate's room. She faces right onto the street, so she gets lots of light.
This room I think looks really cool, but it does have a couple downsides.
Yeah. Does she ever complain about the noise, or how does she like it?
She always sleeps with earplugs. So because she has sort of like the sitting room, living room, she has this beautiful fireplace, which is not functional. We don't do anything with it, but it's a really nice centerpiece of the room. And then she doesn't have a closet since it's a living room, so she just uses this lovely storage system. The fortunate thing is that she does have doors on her bedroom that leads to the living room, which I'm not super sure what this was originally. I think this is probably like a dining room situation. And then back down the hallway, have our lovely heater. Don't really need it. Most of us have fans and space heaters for when it's hot or when it's cold. So this is our dining room, and it's pretty nice because it's a decent sized space. We could actually make a dining room out of it. And we've put in some storage for all of our food because there are 3 people sharing a kitchen meant for maybe 1 or 2. Okay, this apartment was originally 1 house on 3 floors. So we have this like repurposed window that they just closed up, which is really interesting, not functional, unfortunately. And then here's our little kitchen. Not a ton of counter space, but like it works. We all usually cook at different times, and we've kind of divided up all the storage space. We don't have a dishwasher, but that's okay because honestly, my roommates are super clean, always really good about doing the dishes. So right now we're clean, but that's because I did it before you guys came. So these are the other 2 actual bedrooms that we're using as actual bedrooms. So this is my roommate Michelle's. She has really, really good taste. One of the reasons I wanted to move in here was because they had just really good decorations and style. So it's a little bit smaller than my room, but she has a walk-in closet, which she probably doesn't want broadcasted too widely, but it's nice that she has a walk-in. And yeah, fits a queen bed, fits a dresser, and it's really all you need. Like it's a pretty moderate size, like not huge, but there's been some apartments that I've toured with a room big enough for a full, and like you literally have no walking room. So this is my bedroom. It's very much still under construction. I haven't done a lot of the art on the walls, but it's a little bit bigger than Michelle's room, and I don't have a walk-in closet, so it's just, I guess I have to show you, but it's so like literally crammed full so the room is clean, but it's a pretty small closet, which is why I have a dresser. I love my big windows. These are like 6-foot windows, so I get a good amount of light and have this nice little rustic fire escape ladder.
I was really impressed with this. I think for the price, these bedrooms are actually really big. But there is one thing that would probably scare some people away from wanting to live here.
So we have one bathroom for 3 girls, which again, a little nervous about. It's not too bad. The worst case scenario is like you have to go pee and your roommate's showering, in which case we just leave it unlocked. We're pretty comfortable with each other that way. Everything you need, little shower, little toilet, little sink.
And probably my favorite thing about this apartment is that they have access to the rooftop.
Rooftop culture is honestly pretty big in SF. We have like a couple of different like holidays throughout the year that people go on rooftops. Get some nice sunset views of the Golden Gate too, so it's not bad. And I didn't know this was up here until after I signed the lease, so I was like, okay, like
put like astroturf. Yeah, I would think
no, truly.
Put like a cool like little rug.
You
guys could turn it into a rooftop bar.
I wouldn't be mad at that. I wonder. I just have to make sure.
At that point.
No, truly.
Okay, jokes aside, I think this rooftop really is awesome. All in all, this apartment, I think you get a lot for your money here. It doesn't feel like an insanely expensive San Francisco apartment. Getting a bedroom for $14, $15 in a nice area like this is pretty similar to what you would pay in LA. The main difference being that there's only 1 bathroom. In LA, you would definitely get at least 2 bathrooms. Now we're gonna take a look at a friend of mine's apartment. He lives in Hollywood and pays $14.50 for his room, so about the same as Catherine. So we're gonna see how far this gets you in Hollywood. Okay, I'm here. Erin told me to record my reaction when I go in because people are always like surprised. Struggling. Yeah, this place would be hard to break into. There we go. Okay. Oh, wow. This is really cool. So this is my friend Erin's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment.
Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my apartment. I hope you enjoy the tour. My name is Erin Idelson. I just moved to LA.
Honestly, this place is like amazing. When I walked in, I was like, it's huge. So starting out, there's a kitchen, which is a good size for 2 people. I'm sure that they have no problem with this. Like lots of room, and it's cool how it's like kind of opened up to the main like living space. Everything is updated. This place is like an older building that's been renovated, so everything feels really new and nice and has like, you know, up-to-date finishes, and it's nice. So this is the kitchen, and let's take a look at the rest of the apartment. This is the living room. It's massive, it's huge. I haven't really seen a living room in LA this big volume-wise. Like we've got a lot of space in here.
We got this apartment honestly through God's graces. We got really lucky. We were looking at a bunch of apartments on Zillow and on like apartmentsrentals.com and whatever. We got to the point where we were literally just driving around West Hollywood and Hollywood calling numbers on signs outside because we were like, we need to find a place to live. When Hayden and I looked at it, it was just being renovated. And because of that, it was not on the market. So no one else knew that this property was like available to rent. That's kind of how we got it. It was honestly just luck and timing and everything.
I've never, I don't think, been in an apartment in LA quite like this. So as you can see, it's a loft, so it feels huge. Like this feels like a house. And there's a big dining area and living room. Like it just has a lot of space down here. If this were the San Francisco apartment, this is probably where they would try and fit like a 3rd bedroom. They don't really have to do that here because they can already keep the rent pretty low with just 2 people. I say low relatively, like $26.50 in Texas is not low, but for LA, $26.50 for a 2-bedroom this nice, like that is really good. Really cool how it has this built-in sort of storage. A fireplace, that's a cool touch. These windows are really unique. I like the style of them. They're kind of like palladium windows, and it just lets in so much light. There's a balcony out here. It's actually a pretty long size, and they have a view of the Hollywood sign. It's a nice walkable area. So there's 1 bedroom on this main floor, just right over here. This is right off the main living area. There's a bathroom over here. It's a full bathroom. It has, you know, sink, toilet, shower, and a bathtub. There isn't a bathroom upstairs, so this is my friend Erin's bathroom. This is Erin's roommate's room, and it's a really good size, probably 12 by 10, maybe 12 by 12 feet. So it's pretty big. She pays $1,200. She's got her own bathroom, walk-in closet. I don't know, what more could you want for $1,200? I feel like this is really great. This is the bathroom, another full bathroom. This looks like a quartz countertop, so it's definitely like new and renovated. Yeah, it's standard full bathroom. Also, the flooring in here, you can tell that this is new too. This is probably part of the renovation that they did. It looks really nice. I like how it's kind of that gray color. And then right here is the walk-in closet. Good amount of space, definitely. I mean, I feel like for $1,200, normally you wouldn't get a walk-in closet. And also in San Francisco, you definitely wouldn't. There's also this hall closet space, so you can put like towels and stuff. There's lots of built-in storage here, actually. There's also some over here. Here, there's a coat closet, so that's super nice. Even over off the kitchen, there's like even more storage. Just like so much storage here. It's awesome. Now let's head upstairs. When I first came up here, I thought they were using this loft as a bedroom, but there's actually a whole other bedroom over here. So it's just like Erin's own space up here. Like, honestly, it's amazing. So here's Erin's bedroom. Again, really good size. I'd say about the same as the one downstairs, maybe a little bigger because it kind of goes out over here.
So I personally pay $14.50 for my share of the apartment, but I pay more than my roommate does because I have more space. The entire upstairs of the apartment is mine.
But it's nice and bright. It doesn't have a walk-in closet in this one, but it has like a mirrored closet. That's what I have, and you can fit a lot in those. Other really cool thing, it actually goes outside onto a rooftop. And this is so cool. Like, you guys aren't ready for this. A rooftop hot tub, basically my dream. I think this is so cool. Again, pretty cool view up here. I mean, this is so awesome. They have direct access. The hot tub was kind of unexpected. Like, I just did not think that would be here, and I think it's amazing. I didn't really show you guys the loft, so let's take a better look at that. It's kind of like an office up here. This is just so cool. I mean, clearly it fits like a really big desk, a couch, like a bunch of storage. This is like perfect if you're a YouTuber, which Erin does have a channel. So, I mean, it's really perfect to be able to make videos here. I feel like this would just be unheard of in San Francisco, or this apartment would be just really, really expensive. I mean, I would guess it would be like $6,000 or $7,000 probably for a 2-bedroom this big. I mean, this is some square footage in here. Like, it's massive. I'm jealous. Like, Erin, can I move in? Like, I'll make this my room. So this is a sample of rent in LA versus San Francisco. Of course, every area of each city is gonna have different prices, but in general, you definitely get more for your money in LA. Comment below which apartment you guys liked more if you want, and I will see you guys in my next video.